day, everyone. I know, it's been a while, but we're working on some stuff just for you. Today, we're still in St. Mary and we'll be traveling from Rock River Primary School to Scotsall Primary School using the Grandy Hole to Golden Valley Road. So stay with us. Come on, man, drop what you're doing and come along. As usual, we have some interesting facts for you. Today, we'll be speaking about Scotsall. Scotsall is one of the 4 official towns of the Jamaican Maroons. It is located in the parish of, you guessed it, St. Mary. Scotsall is one of the towns belonging to the Windward Maroons, which are situated along the Blue Mountains in Jamaica. While Moortown is in the easternmost part of the mountain range, Charlestown is more centrally located. However, while Moortown and Charlestown are situated in Portland, Scotsall is on the westernmost edge of the range in St. Mary. Yay, go St. Mary! The only Leeward Maroon town in Jamaica is Accompong Town, located in the western Cockpit Country. The returned Maroons of Cudjoe Town, Trelawny Town, now live just outside Maroon Town. Originally, the largest Windward Maroon town was Crawford's Town, located high in the Blue Mountains. A leadership conflict, however, between Quao and Edward Crawford in 1754 resulted in the destruction of Crawford's Town. Scotsall was established by supporters of Quao in 1749, and when a conflict 5 years later resulted in the destruction of Crawford's Town, more supporters of Quao were relocated to Scotsall. Upon the establishment of Scots Hall, white superintendents assumed control of the Maroon Town, and the Maroon officers reported to them. In 1760, while Cudjoe and David Maroon were the nominal Maroon leaders of Scots Hall, they reported to the Moore Town superintendent, who marshaled the Maroon forces during Tacky's War. Davy, a legendary marksman, is credited with personally killing Tacky and bringing to end the main part of the revolt. By the time Cudjoe and David died, sometime before the mid-1790s, the superintendent did not see the need to appoint another Maroon officer and instead ruled the smallest Maroon town directly. In 1770, there were 42 Maroons living in Scots Hall, and by 1797, the village population had only increased marginally to 45. In 1808, the Maroon population of Scots Hall was just 51, but by 1841, it had more than doubled to 105. In 1781, the superintendent of Scots Hall, Bernard Nalty, led a party of Windward Maroons that killed Three Finger Jack. Yes, that notorious Three Finger Jack. This man was a notorious leader of a group of runaway slaves. Because only a few Scots Hall Maroon owned slaves, they did not follow the other Windward Maroon towns in embracing the Anglican Church version of Christianity. Instead, the Maroons of Scots Hall welcomed Baptist missionaries into their village. Like Charlestown, a large number of residents in Scots Hall were non-Maroons. Once a year, Scots Hall promotes a traditional Maroon festival named Cudjoe, or otherwise called the Waterfest. This traditional festivity speaks to the ceremonial ancestors and the signing of the treaty. Cudjoe has a population of over 3,000 and is a traditional farming community. Its natural resources include sustainable resources such as bamboo. Cudjoe boasts a museum and a head office for the new paramount Maroon chief.
Okay, so there you have it. Interesting facts about Cudjoe, a Maroon town located in St. Mary, Jamaica. Hope you enjoyed it. Please do come again. Thank you very much. God with God.